How to delete an entire row or column in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete an entire row or an entire column in your MS Excel document. So deleting a row or an entire column is quite easy in MS Excel. So for example, let's first cover how you can delete an entire column. So consider this column B, which states employee ID, and for example you want to delete all the values and this particular column. So right now we have some different methods to do this. If the column is small, what you can do is simply select the entire column and then press the delete button on your keyboard, and here you can see that the column has been successfully deleted. But if the entries are large and it is not possible to select each of the entries as they may be long and then delete them, then what you can do is simply go to that particular column that you want to delete and then right click onto that column, and from here in this option list you need to select the delete option. Simply click onto this delete button and from here choose entire column at the last. Once you have clicked onto this entire column, click onto this OK button and the entire column will be deleted. Now moving on to the another example, we will show you how you can delete an entire row. So for example, I want to delete the row number 6 for this particular record. So what I can do is repeat the same steps. Either I can choose all of these entries and then press the delete button on my keyboard and the entries will be deleted, or apart from that what I can do is simply again choose that particular row that I want to delete, right click onto this, click onto this delete button and this time choose entire row, which is the second last option, and then click onto this OK button, and now you can see that the entire row has been successfully deleted. So that's how easily you can delete an entire row or column with just a few clicks in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.